People, what's going on? How is everybody doing? How everybody doing out there? I guess we had a wonderful trading week, and I guess we prepared ourselves for the weekend for this trading week. It's your boy Harlem, and I'm back again with another video. So on today's video, it's going to be a trade breakdown. I'm gonna be sharing how I took a trade on Friday based on a simple pure price action strategy belief set, which is a break and a retest. When you guys remember very well, right? I did have this highs, right? With the highs that we had, like I did indicate that we're either looking for price to break above to continue further to the upside or for to break to look for the potential reversal. So price did fail to break above and moved to the downside, coming back to our previous highs, right? Retesting those previous highs, forgetting about this current market price highs, and price continued to the upside. So once price broke out on Thursday, once price broke out on Thursday, once we had this break above on Thursday, all I was looking for, it was for price to come back for that pullback or that retest in anticipation of a what? A continuation to the upside, right, people? So let's just look at everything, right? Let's look at everything. So we had our previous highs, right? This horizontal array, which indicates our previous highs. And we have price breaking out and breaking back in and breaking out again, closing above this very same zone on Thursday. So once price closed above on Thursday, all I was looking for, or all I was looking to do is to just wait for that retest above, because price broke above of our previous highs in anticipation of a continuation further to the upside, right? So how I took this trade, or how I executed this trade, is based on price breaking out and having that retest, anticipation of a continuation to the upside. The second thing is based on my candlesticks. How did the candlesticks form, or how were the candlesticks trading at that time? So if you can check that, we had bullish candlesticks, we had big bullish candlesticks, and we had a big candlestick, and we had a big candlestick which left a rejection, and we started having small bear candlesticks, and we started having small bear candlesticks, and again we started having what? Those small bullish candlesticks, until we had this candlestick, this bullish candlestick on our what? On our pre-London session. So once price came back for that pullback or that retest or that exhaustion phase or that higher low formation, all I was looking for, it was for momentum candlesticks, anticipation that price might be having that bullish momentum and that big depletion sentiment stepping in of the charts. So those trades were based on what? One thing: if price breaks above this highs, then I still look for continuation. If price fails breaking below this lows, then I still look for what? For the reversal to the what? To the upside. So I was strongly bullish. I was strongly bullish on the NAS on Thursday and Friday, right? But I mean on Friday, because price broke above on Thursday. So with price breaking above on Thursday, we looked for the retest on Friday, anticipation of a what? A continuation further to the upside. And that was it. So I had this highs, right? Which I said, if price breaks above this highs, I continue above. If price fails breaking this lows, I'll still continue what? Above, until proven otherwise. Being otherwise being what? Price impulsively breaking below again of our highs and of our intraday lows, and that would be a potential reversal, and that was it. So people, this is just a break and retest strategy. So with me having to trade something like this, or me having to execute.
Oh, are you still watching the video right now? I'm sorry for the interruption, but like you guys know it, that the HSCC and Circle of Traders, they have partnered. What is the HSCC? The HSCC is the Highly Street Crypto Trading, it's the Highly Street Crypto Club, which was started and founded by Mr. Rafsay with a 12-year experience in the crypto markets. The HSCC is a arbitrage crypto trading platform which has led into becoming one of the biggest trading platforms in the world. At the HSCC, they are highly committed into building an ecosystem arbitrage trading crypto platform which generates profits for all retail investors around the globe. They have 4 different plans. to earn and invest hefty profits from. You don't want to miss this deal. They start with as little as $50 up and until an unlimited funded deal, right? It depends on what you're comfortable with and what you'd be willing to take part from. I'm gonna leave the link on the description, I'm gonna leave the link on my bio, and I'm gonna make sure that Circle of Traders and the HSCC help you out in the crypto markets from beginner up and until to professional all the way. You don't want to miss this great deal. Take part into it and something from it, and let the HSCC and Circle of Traders be there for you in the crypto markets. We're signing out.
Trades like this. This is what I always did. This is how I always take trades: price breaking above, price breaking below, momentum candlesticks, depletion and exhaustion, and most of all higher highs and higher lows, or lower lows and lower highs, based or depending on where price broke. Did we either break below or we broke above? And that will confirm my sentiment, people. You understand me? And that was it. So when you see that, okay, price created that higher high, right, coming back to the downside for that lower high formation, or that exhaustion, or that retest of our previous highs, which price broke above, all I looked for, it was for momentum candlesticks. Momentum candlestick being this candlestick on our London open. So a lot of things could have happened on our London open, on our pre-London. This candlestick, when this candlestick closed on our pre-London, all I looked for, it was a continuation to the upside on our London open, and that was it. But because I did say that I'm either looking for price to break the highs, or I'm looking for price to come back to my lows, give me signs that we're failing to break, anticipate a continuation to the upside. So now, when this candlestick closed bullish, all I looked for was that, okay, we now have those lows that price needs to respect, right? So when price came back right there, or when this candlestick traded right there, all I anticipated, or all I was looking for, strongly looking for, it was, as long as price trades below this very same zone, then I still have a high chance or a high possibility of what, a continuation to the downside. And that was it, people. That was it. We took a 150 pip trade, which was somewhere right there, but it was a 150 pip, right? It was a 150 pip, and that was it. So people, if you see such trades, or if you come across something like this on the charts, if price creates those highs and price violates those highs, trading above those highs, those are the highs, price trades above those highs, price trades above those highs, we anticipate that as long as price is still tapping above, or as long as price is still trading above those highs, we still look for that continuation to the upside. If price trades below our lows, right, if price breaks below our lows and still trades below our lows, failing to break above our lows, this indicates that price might be looking for the potential continuation further to the downside, right? So break out and a retest, people. It's not a strategy, it's just a price action. How people call it a strategy is based on the candlesticks that they execute, is based on the type of formation that they're looking to trade, always based on the type of strategy that they follow, or the type of rules that they follow. In this instance, people, I saw price breaking above, I saw a retest, and I saw a momentum candle close, which was closing bullish, and I anticipated a continuation to the upside. I was comfortable with the drawdown. I was comfortable with the drawdown. I don't want to lie, but all I was positive with is that price will move my direction, or price will respect what I'm looking to trade, and price will do what I'm looking for it to do, and that will be it. So people, this is your boy Harlem. I don't want to make this video be too long. I just want to make sure that someone takes something from this and someone learns something from this. If price trades above a zone, you need to wait for that retest, or you need to wait for that momentum candlestick that gives you confirmation that price might be still looking to continue above. If price trades below, you need to wait for that retest, or you need to wait for the confirmation that price is really looking to continue further to the downside, long as it's still trading below that certain zone. And that will be it. Without further ado, people, this is your boy Harlem. That's all I got on this video. I'm out.